Hi guys! For today's video, I will show you how to make a rainbow scrunchies. But first, okay, to start, we will be needing a plain colored fabric, a rainbow colored fabric, 10 cm wide and 20 cm long. The fabric I am using here is satin fabric. What I like about this fabric is it is soft, smooth, and glossy. And also, did you know that satin is also one of the best fabric to use for scrunchies because it helps lessen the hair breakage. Since we will be making a rainbow-inspired scrunchies, the first thing we need to do is arrange our fabric according to the rainbow color: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can use whatever plain color fabric you have, but if you're going to use satin, make sure to burn all the edges of your fabric to prevent it from fraying, and also to ensure the quality of your scrunchies. And for my elastic, I'm going to use a 1/2 size braided elastic, 17 cm long. If you don't want to use elastic, you can actually use a ready-made hair tie. When sewing the elastic, make sure that both ends overlap each other before sewing, and sew it properly so our stitch won't fall off. When sewing, make sure that the right side face each other, and then we will sew on the wrong side. And when connecting our fabric, make sure that it is according to the rainbow color. Connect your red and orange, and then orange and yellow, yellow and green, green and blue, blue and indigo, indigo and violet. And for the last part, connect the violet and the red. So to turn it into a scrunchies, first lay your fabric flat on a table, and then we will start sewing on the red and violet. So flip our fabric with the red and violet as our wrong side, and the green and blue will be the right side. We need to fold it small like that, and then attach our elastic or your hair tie if you're using a hair tie. That way we won't run on it when stitching the wrong side of our fabric. Please pay a closer look on this part. As you can see, the folded green and elastic is in the middle of the wrong side of our fabric. Half of the wrong side passed through the elastic like that to meet the other side. And then we will start sewing the wrong side, which is the violet and red. When sewing, make sure to always lock the beginning and the end of our stitch. After we lock the beginning of our stitch, pull the right side or the folded fabric that is in the middle, pull it towards you, then continue sewing the wrong side, and continue the stitch pull steps until you reach where your stitch started. Just make sure to leave at least 2 or 3 cm opening before you lock your stitch. And don't forget to cut all of the excess thread before turning your scrunchies inside out. You can use anything you have as long as it is not pointy. And in this one, I'm going to use the pencil where there is an eraser on it. When turning the scrunchies, as you can see, at the both end of my fabric, there's hole in there. So just put your pencil or any stick you have, anything you're using to turn your scrunchies. Just put it there, and then slightly push your fabric, and then gently pull it out like that until you turn it inside out, all of it. So just like that, just make sure that you're pulling it gently so you won't break your fabric, especially if you're using a lightweight fabric. And then you can close the opening in any way you want, and just fix it a little like that, and there you have it. And now you have a rainbow scrunchies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from me. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you, and God bless.